get you visuals. Lots of VVIPs coming in to vote. These visuals coming in, we go full screen with it. Thalapathy Vijay casting his vote.
Oh, he's going over there.
He's casting his vote from Chennai. Thalapathy Vijay. Well, you can see a complete riot of sorts at Pramod, my colleague, joining us live after Rajnikant. Thalapathy Vijay. Pramod, clearly, you know, a scramble of sorts, the media trying to get in a reaction. Get us the latest.
Absolutely, Akshita. Just like until now, this place was peaceful and quiet, but right now you could see the absolute mayhem as Vijay, what is called as Thalapathy by his fans, he's over here to cast his vote. He's here, and you could see that like a major crowd is also, like, all his fans are here, and police had to push them back to just take him over there. That's the kind of fan frenzy Vijay has at this spot. You could see that. That is Vijay, who's here to cast his vote. We've been told by his team that he has come back from like a place in Moscow for a shoot called Goat movie, and post which is over here. His flight was nearly for 14 hours, and that's Vijay that you see on the frame who has come over here. It has been a serious delay because of the flight, but after that, a 14 hours journey, he had come over here. That's Vijay who's standing over there. This is like Tamizhaka Vetri Kazhagam, a leader now. He's just not an actor, Akshita, not just Thalapathy, but a leader as well. And here he is to like cast his moral democratic right as a citizen as well. And imagine, Akshita, he claims that Tamizhaka Vetri Kazhagam has 78 lakh cadres already, and that's what you see over here. That is actor Vijay Preeti over there. He's standing in the queue right now to cast his vote. Imagine, since morning we've been following this elections, Preeti, but we did not see any kind of such mayhem anywhere, be it Rajnikant, be it like Stalin, or be it like anybody, but we did not see such a mayhem. But this is Vijay, and look at the crowd that is surrounding him, and he, like, amidst all this, you could see that like there are like wooden blocks that are being moved as well, and amidst all this, he's going there to cast his vote, Preeti.
All right, Pramod, there, catch your breath. That's the latest in terms of visuals coming in. Thalapathy Vijay, who in February this year, viewers, took a step towards politics by questioning his political outfit as Tamil Nadu Victory Party, stating his commitment to fundamental political change. But having said that, you can see the star value of Thalapathy Vijay oozing out as he comes in to cast his vote. After Rajnikant, Kamal Haasan, possibly one of the most popular actors where Tamil Nadu comes into question, he's held his shoot on hold. He was shooting a film called Goat, and he's making his way now to cast his vote. Most of his film, Pramod, we've seen lots of overturns of, public good, politics, controversial issues he's spoken of in his films as well. But right now, coming in to cast his vote. Over to you, Pramod.
That definitely, Preeti, behind us is what you see as a mayhem. I have to say this again. Since morning, around like 6:30 a.m., we are on the field, and we didn't see this kind of crowd. All these are like fans, mostly over here, will come across, and the police are finding it extremely difficult to even to control the crowd over there. In fact, this is Busi Anand, the person you see in the white shirt. That is a leader from Tamizhaka Vetri Kazhagam, who has also accompanied Vijay over here, and they are also waiting for him to cast the vote. Police are also trying to clear the crowd. They are pushing everybody away. Imagine this kind of mayhem we did not see for Vijay. We did not see for Ajit, for any leaders, be it EPS, be it Annamalai, nobody. But here you could see what's happening right now. He is still waiting over there inside in the queue, and the police are trying to go down. Vijay, just like you mentioned, is a leader of Tamizhaka Vetri Kazhagam. He has only said that he's going to float his party. He floated his party. His actual principles, ideologies are yet to be explained in detail. But he has given away a kind of like a small explanation as that he's going to fight against corruption and such. But the major aspect is that, yes, he also gave a statement against CAA, but it was also as like neutral as possible. But right now, even after all this, what you see over here is the actual star power Vijay has in Tamil Nadu, Preeti.
Well, you're right there, the kind of star power, the people pull that Vijay has in Tamil Nadu. Like I said, after Rajnikant and Kamal Hassan, wildly popular. But will he fall on the same lines politically as a Rajnikant or a Kamal Hassan? Because Rajnikant has kept the people guessing forever whether he's going to enter politics, then finally making it clear that his health will not allow him. Kamal Hassan has dabbled in politics but really hasn't met with that kind of stupendous success that possibly others like MGR, Jayalalitha have met, where the state of Tamil Nadu comes into question. And Thalapathy Vijay now taking that step, which side of that divide will he fall on? Will he be a successful politician in days to come, where ideologies at least seemingly kept it neutral? But Pramod, conspiracy theorists would say that he could possibly be a plan of, a plan C rather of the Bharatiya Janata Party. If plan A, Rajnikant, plan B, Annamalai doesn't work.
Okay, pass me.
Pramod, can you hear me? All right, we're going to try and cut across to Pramod in just a short while. But, all you can see is just cameras, television crews, mobile phones, and a surge of crowds trying to get a piece of Thalapathy Vijay. Pramod, if you're with me, what's interesting is he's kept his political ideology neutral, but in terms of politics where Tamil Nadu is concerned, you've had the examples of a Rajnikant and a Kamal Hassan. Rajnikant now saying not entering politics after giving him mixed hints. On the other hand, Kamal Hassan not meeting with, the success of an MGR or a Jayalalitha. It will be interesting what comes down and happens with Thalapathy Vijay. But in terms of ideology, where does he stand, if you can tell our viewers?
Preeti, we can simply say that his ideology is yet to be actually explained, but you could see the kind of mayhem. This is what it is like, this is something called as fan power, where nearly 78 lakh fans, as he claims, are ready to actually vote or to accept whatever his ideology is. That's the kind of fan power or hypnotizing power Vijay has over here. That's what you see. These are absolutely crazy fans who are waiting over here. And this is what Vijay stated, that earlier he said that GOAT would be his last movie, post which he will actually concentrate completely into election. His actual idea was to take 2 years, then in 2026, enter Tamil Nadu politics, not national level politics. But what happened is that things changed and he had to actually go for 2024 itself. That's Vijay over there, thanking his fans and everybody, and he's over